How to find blocked list on X app. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your X application from your device and make sure that you are logged into your X account. Now, in order to find the blocked list, you have to tap on this person icon on your top left. Once you do so, you have to tap on Settings and Privacy. And here tap on Privacy and Safety option. Then you will see Mute and Block option at this page. Tap Open it. Go on to Blocked Accounts. Just like so, you will see all the accounts that you have blocked in your X. Now if you would like to unblock that person, tap on Blocked, and that way you will be able to unblock them. Just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.